How to solve the dislocation problem of lime powder ball press equipment. It can be roughly divided into two kinds. The first kind, the dislocation in the circumference direction. The adjustment of the dislocation in the circumference direction is provided with an adjustment disc at the end of the passive gear. First, loosen the circumference bolt. Tighten the screw with a manual wrench according to the dislocation direction and number. Determine the direction of the tight screw and the number of the buckle, and then tighten the circumference bolt on the adjustment disc, and then insert the T. The second kind, the adjustment of axial dislocation. Loosen the end cover of the bearing seat that needs to be adjusted, and then according to the amount of displacement, add or reduce the gasket at both ends of the bearing end cover, and then tighten the cover bolt. It needs to be explained that this dislocation rarely appears, and the general lime powder ball press machine has been adjusted before leaving the factory.